In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A as in alpha to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. In order to make a road, we could extrude the curve or use array and curve modifiers with a plane. To smooth the road, we could add more curve points and add more loop cuts to the plane like this. Let's proportionally edit the curve. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Please click this picture icon button below to send this image to image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.